Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. I'm your maths teacher. Hopefully all of you fine. Today is the last lecture of the chapter number 1. The chapter number 1 is number related to numbers. Okay, today we have a revised lecture or the last lecture of this chapter. All right, all of you open book page number 24. You have all of you only left with the one page of this chapter, that is on the page number 24. This is the last page for your this chapter. All right, so you all of you open book page number 24 and attempt the question number 9. The question number 9 is what? Write greater or smaller in the empty boxes. Okay, all of you know, all of you already attempt these questions, that 492 is smaller than or greater than 381. So you can make a comparison for the hundreds. First you see 400 is greater than 300, so 492 is greater than 381. All right, you can see part B. At part B you can see 284 and 291. So you can see there is a same value for the place of 100, so you can make a comparison for tens. You can see at tens there is 8 at the place of 10 and there is 9 at the place of 10. So you can see 8 is less than 8 tens is less than 9 tens, so you can write 284 is smaller than 291. Similarly, you can attempt part C, part D, E and F in the similar way. So you can write 492 is greater than 381. So you can write 284 is smaller than 291. So also you can write 673 is greater than 573, 829 is smaller than 928, 361 is smaller than 363 and 169 is greater than 162. So by similarly using these tricks to comparison of 100, tens and ones, you can attempt these lesser than and greater than numbers. So the question number so also you focus on question number 10. The question number 10 is what? The total centuries scored by cricketers over the years are. ठीक है, ये आपको क्रिकेटर्स के स्कोर्स गिवन है और आपने स्कोर्स को असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सो व्हाट इज असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर? आई ऑलरेडी make a complete and a whole lecture about the ascending or descending order. So all of you know ascending order is what? To write the numbers in the increasing way, and the descending order is what? To write the numbers in a decreasing way. Ascending orders mean you write the numbers that behavior like smaller to bigger, smaller to greater number, and in descending order all of you know the numbers behavior that is bigger to smaller number. So if you can see for ascending numbers, so you can identify the smaller number in this list. The smaller number in this list is, all of you know, that is the most smaller number in this list is, that is, I think that is 307. So you can start with the 307, and the greatest number in this list, that is I think 392. So for descending order you will be start for the 392. So these two question, it's so great to these two question attempt you on. All right, this is your home task or assignment. If you see question number 11, you can see at question number 11 write the numbers that come. You already do this exercise for the 2 digits and the 3 digits number. All right, at question number 11 you can see there is 3 digits number. What number occur before 362? That is 361. And what number occur before the 417? That is 416. And if you can see after example, what number occur after 565? That is 566. And what number occur after the 484? That is 485. So if you can see that is the example related to between. These are the questions related to between. So you can see 592-594, the number occur between the 592 and 594, that is 593. If you can see 156-158, the number occur between the 156 and 158, that is 157. All right, so you can see all these questions clearly. So you can attempt this question by using previous tricks and lectures that we already discussed in this chapter. Alright, grade 2, I hope all of you understand the core concepts of this chapter. So I am briefly discussed all the concepts related to chapter 1. The chapter 1, you can open book to content. You can complete these content and these topics in Chapter 1, that is two-digit number comparing and ordering, place value, numbers name. Three-digit number comparing and ordering, numbers, place value, number name. All right. Two-digit number is what? Two-digit number is that it is 13, 15, 10, 25, 36, 99. ठीक है, comparing and ordering. How you compare and how you make an ordering. ठीक है. For ordering, you can use the tricks of ascending and descending order, and for comparing you can use the tricks for place value, you can use the tricks for greater than and smaller than signs. All right. For number names, you can write the counting in the words, and also you can write the counting in the numbers. So also you can discuss the three digits number related to 100, tens and ones. You make a place value table for these numbers. You can make ordering for these numbers by using ascending or descending tricks, and you can use comparing by the tricks of greater and smaller than. In greater and smaller than, you can compare three tricks for these three digits number. That first you compare 100. If 100 same, then you compare the tens. If tens is same, then you compare the 1. All right. So you can also write three digits number in the numbers and also the numericals. All right, grade 2. In this whole chapter we also make a review for this chapter. At the review I also did the exercise for you for tomorrow to clear the concepts of this chapter. I hope all of you understand the chapter number 1, that is related to numbers. Inshallah further we will be proceed and discuss the chapter number 2, that is related to the addition. So all of you go through the exercises and the clear concepts of this chapter, and do these exercises on your notebooks and home task which I am giving you to do on your notebooks, and complete the exercises on your textbook. All right. So goodbye to everyone.